It would be nice if employees could order whatever office supplies they need, but in our case, high-priced items can only be purchased by the manager, like laptops and tablets. I would like to restrict my vendor list based on the user that is filling out the form. If the user filling out the form is not a manager, I would like to hide the Computers R Us option. We can use a custom action to dynamically change our select list. Let's call this Only 9SF Managers Can Order from Computers R Us. Our condition is going to be based off the user group. We want to use the user is in or not in group. I'm going to toggle this to not in, and then I'm going to select our 9SF manager group. So ONBASE will look at the current user signed in and determine what user group they're in. The filter select list action can modify the values in your select list based on certain conditions that are met on your form. Notice if I try to pick the value to filter out, ONBASE prompts me to pick the select list first. So I'm going to click Element and then select the name of our select list and then pick the values that I want to filter out when this condition is met. That's all we have to do to create this custom action, so let's click OK and test it out. For this first test, I'm going to mimic as if I'm just a user that's not in the manager group and try to order something like a laptop. Notice when I expand the vendor list, I don't have the option to order from Computers R Us. So now let's log in as somebody that is in the 9SF manager group. So I'll select the group and click refresh. And because I'm in that group, I am able to select Computers R Us now.